Hello, EDL 602 students. I thank you for your participation during our virtual class on Saturday. I appreciate all of the great responses and the discussions that we had around our mock evaluation, as well as the evidence sorting form. Today's video is just your week 2 instructors video, just kind of detailing what it is that the expectation is for week 2. So I'm going to go here to our modules so that we can just kind of look at it together here on the video so you'll know exactly what I'm referring to. So for week 2, you are doing that deep dive into that informal mock teacher evaluation. And as I stated in our virtual class on yesterday, it's a lot of information here. Your instructor weekly video will appear directly underneath this tab, but everything that is for your assignments is listed next. And all of this is just good information if you choose to use it. So here it's just telling you as a reminder that you must use your sorting form A to sort the evidence you scripted during the mock evaluation to begin sorting the evidence into the different domains. So all that means is you're going to use your sorting form and your evidence form. The evidence, remember, the scripting and then the sorting is all about taking down what the teacher does, what the student does. Students do, as well as taking that information and then assigning a rating, whether it's a 4, 3, 2, 1, looking at all of the different attributes under each rating scale. Then you will take that information. You do have to upload that. But also, don't forget, you must write a narrative explaining what you witnessed in the video and then your reflection of it. Was the instrument difficult to use? Did you find it interesting? Answering those questions that are listed there in the rubric. So, all the things you need, the guidebook, which details exactly how many actual observations the state Mississippi Department of Education requires according to the Mississippi Professional Growth Rubric, Growth System Guidebook. The deep dive teacher observer training is a PDF. You can read through it. Like I said, it's for information. And then the website for teacher resources. Again, all of these are just resources for you. What you do need to download is that scripting form A and that evidence form A. These two you will need to download. So once I click on it, and again, I'm working on a MacBook, but it should pull up the same on any device. You're going to click here, and this will actually download this form, and that way you can access it for use. You would do the same thing for your evidence sorting form, exact same measure. You open it up, click on it to open it, and then you click the download button to get it on your device so that you can actually use it. Now, your Dropbox, which again, let me remind you, the Dropbox is where you will turn in all of your assignments. All of your assignments must go through the Dropbox in order for me to grade it. So you will click on the Dropbox and you will start the assignment here for when you get ready to upload everything. But for just information, all of the information for your Mississippi Educator and Administrator Growth System evaluation is listed here. It details exactly what the expectation is for you. But as I like to remind each set of students, each class rather, you have to have that scripting form, you have to have that evidence sorting form, and you also have to write that narrative paragraph. So 2 to 3 paragraphs. I'm not looking for you to give me a total recount. I have watched these videos. I know what happens in them. So you're just telling me what you gleaned from them. So with that being said, the directions are listed 1 through 6 for what you should be doing for this assignment. Your videos for selection are also listed, as well as the rubric and how you will be graded on this assignment. Hopefully that answers all the questions you may have for this particular assignment. It's a very light week with just having to do your mock teacher evaluation, but I caution you not to take it as a light week because next week you have to turn in your domains project or your domains for 4, 5, and 6. So you still need to be reading that textbook so that you're prepared for those next 3 domains to be able to do the questions, linking it to your scenarios for next week's assignment. Because that week 3 comes in very quickly. We have another virtual class on June 13th, but also you should be working towards your data project. Don't let that be the thing you put on the back burner. This class has a lot of things moving in sync at one time. So you're working on that mock teacher evaluation to get that turned in by Sunday at 11:59 and 59 seconds. And then you're also gathering your data for your data project that's due on the 21st. But you're also continuously reading your textbook because that 4 through 6 domains assignment is also due the following week. So just always in a constant momentum. I know it's summer, but I would tell you any downtime you have, just keep working, keep working. I'm sure this is not your only course. So just keep working, and I know it is a lot. If you have any questions, as always, please send me an email. Do not inbox, send me an email so that I will see that and I can get you a response as quickly as possible. And as I said on our Zoom, if I don't respond within 24 hours, send me a follow-up email. I may have opened it at work and didn't think to answer, or needing to get home to the textbook to give you an answer. Could be any range of things as to why I didn't answer in that moment. But just like you guys, a lot going on every day. So if you have to send me a follow-up email, please do so. And again, enjoy your summer. I know it's a lot of work, but you can do it. Have a great day.